First at 5, chaos in the courtroom after the family member of a murder victim charges toward the suspect who'd just been acquitted in the case. We're talking about a deadly New Year's Eve triple shooting here in Cleveland dating back to 2018, leaving Tevin Biles-Thomas charged with murder. Hello, everyone. I'm Delon Dillard.
And I'm Courtney Gooseman. Thanks so much for joining us at 5. Today, a judge says there wasn't enough evidence to convict Biles-Thomas, a U.S. Army soldier and brother of Olympic gymnastics champion Simone Biles. News 5's Jade Jarvis has all the details.
Anguish and heartbreak inside a Cuyahoga County courtroom this morning.
In viewing the evidence in the light most favorable to the state, it is insufficient to sustain a conviction.
Judge Joan Sinnenberg ruled that there was simply not enough evidence to convict Tevin Biles-Thomas in the killings of 19-year-old Delvante Johnson, 21-year-old Toshawn Banks, and 23-year-old Devon Gibson. The three were killed at an Airbnb party in Cleveland on New Year's Eve in 2018. Prosecutors say Biles-Thomas was the gunman. The first trial ended in a mistrial back in May, and the second trial started last week. But of the 18 witnesses prosecutors called in the case, only one woman was able to make any kind of identification, saying her recollection of the clothing the shooter was wearing was 75% accurate. Biles-Thomas's attorneys didn't think that was enough. So yesterday they filed a motion for judgment of acquittal, which Judge Sinnenberg granted.
Her best recollection of the shooter's clothing is 75% accurate, a far cry from the compelling, persuasive evidence one would expect in a matter so tragic and serious.
The decision shocking for family members of the victims and also incredibly rare, according to Michael BENZA, a senior instructor of law at Case Western Reserve University.
So that's a regular motion, but it is very rarely granted, which gives you an indication about how weak the judge really thought the government's case was.
Now Biles-Thomas is a free man and cannot be tried for those crimes again.
The Fifth Amendment double jeopardy clause would prevent any new trial.
We spoke with Biles-Thomas's attorney, who says the ruling is a huge relief for his client.
He's now run the gauntlet twice. He's gone through 2 full trials where no one of any credibility has identified him as being a shooter.
He also acknowledged the pain expressed by the families of the victims during that shocking outburst in court today.
It was shocking. It was a surprise, but they lost children. It wasn't Tevin, but they lost children, and it's a horrible tragedy all around.
BENZA says prosecutors can appeal the judge's decision to the Court of Appeals, but the likelihood of that decision being overturned is very small. In Cleveland, Jade Jarvis, News 5.